Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable IPv6 in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So the first thing that you need to do is to click on the Start menu as seen from here and search for Control Panel. Open it. So now you need to open the Network and Sharing Center as seen from here. You need to click on it. And after that, you need to click on your Wi-Fi. Now you need to click on Properties. So now you need to scroll down till you find the IPv6. As seen from here, here's the Internet Protocol version 6 TCP IPv6. So now you can either disable it or you can enable it right here and then click on OK. Now close all of these menus and that's it. The IPv6 is enabled now in your device. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.